For this particular problem, we can solve by any method we choose. I notice that both equations are in standard form since the x's and the y's are on the same side and all the constant terms are on the other side. So the elimination method would work well. How about if we go ahead and eliminate our x terms? To do that, if we multiply this top equation by 10, the x would turn into a 4. If we do that, then we could multiply the bottom equation here by -4 to make it so we have a 4x and a -4x. That would make it so the x's would eliminate when we add them. So let's go ahead and multiply the top equation by 10 and the bottom one by -4. Distributing the 10 through, we get 10 times 0.4x, which is 4x, and then 10 times the -2.5y, which is -25y, and then 10 times -6.5, which is -65. Now distributing our -4. -4 times x is -4x. -4 times y is -4y. And that equals -4 times 5.5, which is -22. If we now go ahead and add our equations together, the x's eliminate, we end up with a -29y equaling a -87. If we divide by -29 on both sides, the -29's will cancel. You're left with a y, and -87 divided by -29 is a +3. You can do that calculation in your calculator if you need to. Now we need to find our x value. So if we take this y value and we replace it in for y here in our bottom equation, we can easily find x. So we have x plus 3 equals 5.5. If we subtract 3 from both sides, subtracting 3 over here would cancel that out and leave us with an x. And subtracting 3 here, we get 2.5. So our x term is 2.5 and our y is 3. So the point where these two lines cross is the point 2.5, 3.